Hello everyone, we are going to see the laws, rules. What are these rules? For making ray diagram by spherical mirror. Here are four rules. We will see one by one in case of spherical mirror. The first is the ray passing through the center of curvature. Center of curvature is represented by C. Spherical mirror is of two types. One is concave, another is convex. You will see in both what happens when a ray of light passes through the center of curvature C. This is a concave mirror, center of curvature C, suppose here, and we are taking a ray of light passing through the center of curvature. If ray of light passes through the center of curvature and fall on the concave mirror, reflected back in same direction. It happen here in case of a convex mirror also. Let it is a principal axis, its center of curvature C, focal point F, and if we take a ray of light falling on convex mirror in such that if it's reflected back in same path, and when we proceed it forward, it seems to meet from the center of curvature. Here passes through. Really, and seems to meet C. Bend back in same direction. Incident ray, reflected ray in same path. Now this is the first rule. Whenever we will make a diagram, if it will pass from the center of curvature in concave mirror, it will like this, and in convex mirror like it. Now we will see the second rule. What is the second? When ray parallel to the parallel to principal axis. See carefully. Let it is concave mirror. In concave mirror, take this line as a principal axis. Take 2 points, focal point and principal axis, this center of curvature and pole. Now we will take a ray of light parallel to the principal axis. According to the rule, falls on the concave mirror, always passes through the focus. Here in case. Same case we may take if we take convex mirror. Their center of curvature C and focal point lies at right hand side, and if we take a ray parallel to the principal axis, first of all see the principal axis in this case, join it, and this ray of light falls on principal axis, this reflected, and when it's proceed back, it seems to come from the focus when any observer observe from here the reflected ray of light. So in both case passes through F, it is seems to come from F. This is a rule in both cases. Now we are going to see the third rule. See, what is the third rule? A ray passing through the focus here. First of all, see, in the case of concave mirror, let it is concave mirror, and take this is principal axis. In principal axis, take this is focal point, center of curvature. Now see the ray of light. If a ray of light passes through the focus, an incident on concave mirror, after reflection, see the rule, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. Both becomes parallel to the principal axis. And if same, here in case of, we take in a convex mirror here, in convex mirror, take principal axis, center of curvature, focus, and if we take a ray of light seems to meet at focal point F, then after reflection it becomes parallel to the principal axis. This both become parallel. See in the diagram, both is a parallel. Here really parallel, here also really parallel, but incident passes through the F and here seems to meet at F. Seems to meet at F, virtually it is, and here incident ray passes through focal point F, here in this case. Now we are going to see the final rule, fourth, that is a incident ray or a ray incident fall at the pole of mirror P. Then what is the rule? So to see the rule, again we will take a two mirror. First of all, we are going to take this concave mirror with its principal axis. Take 2 points, focal point and center of curvature. This point is a P. If a ray incident at pole P phenomena of reflection will take place. See carefully. Same like as the plane mirror, principal axis becomes as a normal. It is angle of incidence I and it is angle of reflection R. Same thing is happen with the convex mirror. See in the convex mirror, principal axis, let focal point, center of curvature And if a ray, let this point is a pole, incident at P, reflected in such a way that angle of incidence, angle of R, angle I is equal to angle R. So here are the 4 rules. 1. Ray passing through the center of curvature, this reflected back in same path, passes through the parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, either passes through the focus in concave mirror, whereas seems to come from focal point F in convex mirror. Third, ray passing through F and falls on the mirror parallel to the principal axis, Here seems to reach. Now, a ray incident at P, normal phenomena of reflection takes place. So this is for the topic. Thank you and have a nice day to all.